boy say he want marry me, oh. I hope say sabi kukuache. Hope your love goes sweet past the shit, oh. Baby boy, they say he think my body is a killer, oh. I hope say sabi kukuache. Hope his love goes sweet past the shit, oh. Oh yeah, man, forget Ethiopia. Me say forget Ethiopia. Oh yeah, man, what be the matter? Me say what be the matter? Oh yeah, man, forget Ethiopia.
Hey guys, it's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing an installation video on how I achieve pretty much a hair tutorial on how I achieve my curls, and also installing this frontal without the bald cap method, and it literally looks like my scalp. Yeah, so this video I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys and give you guys the tea on how I was able to accomplish this hairstyle and whatnot. And with that being said, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for, honey? It is on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get started with this hair tutorial. Alright guys, so like I said in the introduction, this is going to be a wig installation. This hair is from Premier Lace Wig. You guys have probably seen them a lot on YouTube, in YouTube hair tutorial. You've seen them as well on Instagram, pretty much any social media where you can buy hair and see hair review. So far I've had this unit for about 4 months, and honestly it's so good. Like, best quality full lace wig unit I've ever had. I love the texture of the hair. Yes, I have worn this wig already. I've styled this hair already. I've already plucked the frontal, and I've also bleached the knots, which I'm going to be showing you guys. I just wanted to do an installation video slash a hair review to let you guys know about this hair and what the deets and everything is. So when you open the box, the hair does come in a bag, but of course, like I said, I already wore it, so it wouldn't be in a bag. And then in the box, they give you a wig cap, they give you a mirror, and then they also give you like a manual with how to take care of the hair, and also all the other hairstyles they do provide. For me, when I got the hair, it was very, like, I was kind of like shocked. So I'll show you the construction of the cap. So it comes with 3 combs in front, if you guys can see that, and then there's a comb at the back, and then it comes with the drawstring that you can use to attach the size of the wig. I believe this is a medium cap, but it fits my head to perfection. And a couple of my clients that I've like done wig installations for usually do buy full unit from them, from the company, and like their hair is just amazing. So as you guys can see, I've already bleached the knots to perfection to match my skin complexion and whatnot. And like I said, I've already worn this unit, so it's straightened right now, but you know, we gonna show it some love in a little bit and install. So for me to install today, I'm going to be using my handy dandy bold hold lace glue. I love this glue. It is the GOAT. I always like it because it has no odor. It's extremely strong, and my edges are still intact, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my installation with my wig method without doing the bald cap method, and it's still gonna look like our scalp. All right, okay. So with that being said, you have 2 options of wig caps you can use. You can use either the wig cap that is the dark brown one, or you can use the black one. I used to, when I started doing wigs, I usually do the black one, but now I actually do the brown one because it gives me like bald-like scalp, like it gives me a scalp like feel and look. So I already do have one that I usually already use, so I'm gonna take this, and as you guys can see, my hair is already braided and braid back and whatnot. So I'm gonna take my wig cap, and I'm just gonna put that bad boy on. This is what I put when I have my wig cap on, and then I'm just gonna pop out my ears. I never cut my caps. I don't really see the purpose to it. Some people like the cap cut, I don't, and this is what it looks like when I push back on my hair. Of course, all my baby hair is like snatched back. I don't really use gel to hold anything back. I just I guess you can say I just wing it, you know? So everything's back and secured, and then I'm just gonna grab the wig and I'm just gonna put it on and show you guys what it looks like before we go ahead and glue it on. Okay? Okay, so this is what the hair looks like on my head. As you guys can see, like I said, my knots are bleached. And do y'all see that? Literally, what? Without no bald cap, still looks like my scalp. Literally, I can wear the wig without gluing it down, but you know, your girl's gotta be secure. If you don't want to glue the wig down, you don't have to, but I prefer mine glue down because it's more security and I can do everything with it. I don't have any like elastic band, which is weird because they actually do give you elastic that you can attach to the wig, to the unit, if you don't want to glue it down and all of that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to install mine and glue it down. So before we go on, I'm just going to be using rubbing alcohol. You don't have to use a certain percentage. Mine says 50%, so I'm literally taking a 50% rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to be using a cotton ball just to clean my hairline a little bit. And honestly, the reason I do this is because it just gives you like a clean base, I guess. And usually when you clean it, you'll be surprised. Sometimes you think your front of your head is clean, but it's usually dirty, to be honest with you. If you guys can see that, but you can see the little like specks of dirt on the thing. It's just for security. And I did actually just wash my hair yesterday and braid it down yesterday. And then I just, yeah. Okay. So, because this is going to be a talk through, I do apologize. So, with that being said, I'm just going to take some little clips and I'm just going to use it to just, clip the hair back on both sides. So, when I'm laying it down, there's no hair in my way. Okay? Alright, so just clip back a little bit. And then what I like to do is, I like to just bring my unit and adjust it where I'd like for it to be, where I want to place it before I go on with gluing it down. So this seems just about right for me. Okay, this is exactly where I want it to be. This is how I want it to look. And then I'm just gonna lift that back. So next thing we're going to do, we're gonna grab our bolt hold glue. Bolt hold glue is optional. If you prefer using Gots to Be, use your Gots to Be. Use whatever glue you prefer and whatever glue works for you. I personally just like my bolt hold. It keeps my unit in for about a week or two. That's the reason why I like to use the bolt hold glue, and it secures everything. Okay? So this part is going to be pretty explanatory. I'm probably going to speed up the video a little bit. You guys just see how I apply on the glue and then fan it. Depending on how long you want to keep the wig on for, I usually do 2 to 3 coat, and it lasts me about 2 to 3 weeks. Depending on how many weeks or how long you want to keep the wig on your head is how many coat you should do. So I'm just going to do all of that, and then we're going to go from there. So it's going to be sped up. All right. So as you guys can see, now we're gonna go back to we're gonna be talking through to finish up the rest of the video. As you guys can see how like it literally down nearly what looks like scalp. There is literally no bald cap method, and you guys saw how I did this. We did not use we just used a wig cap. We didn't try to make ourselves look bald. Honestly, as long as you bleach your lace to perfection, you can pull it off to look like your scalp. And you guys see how this right here matches my skin color, and it's popping. So I'm gonna now go on and give myself some baby hair. I use an edge brush, and then I use either my Got2b glue, the white one, or I use regular hair gel. I just take a little bit and I put it at the back of my hand, and then I go from there. Sometimes you can also use mousse, but I prefer not to use mousse because I feel like the mousses that I've tried to use to like lay my edges never really, they don't work, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you. Like mousse for me, when it comes to like laying my edges, it doesn't stick it down to how I want it to be. So I just take the brush and I literally, so I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see. Oh, okay, maybe not that much. Okay, all right, so this is just about right. So I just take the brush and I just brush like little bit of hair forward, and then I comb it back. Like we want it to look as realistic as possible. So I literally just take the brush and I just comb down hair, and then I scoop back. Like, okay, so I know it's a wig, but we want it to look as realistic as possible. And then I'll go on the side right here as well, same thing. Take out a little bit of hair, get some glue from the back of my hand or hair gel, and then just take the brush and just brush and scoop, you know? Brush and scoop. So the whole baby hair technique, you want it to look natural. You don't want it to look super crazy. I did, like, when I first started doing wigs, oh God, Jesus, my baby hair game was weak. It was very weak. I would pull like a lot of hair, try to think like I'm accomplishing something, and it just didn't look right. And then like now, like you see that, you see the difference from here and here. Like it still looks good. Like it's still popping. Okay, all right, so we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Just take a little bit of hair, and honestly, you don't have to get this right the first time when it comes to installing. The more you practice, the better you get. And you don't want, when you do the baby hair, to look so like together. Sparse it out, space it out. Nobody's natural baby hair is like dead ass together. It's, our baby hair is a little bit spaced out still. So same thing, a little bit of gel, and then scoop back, and like so. And this is about the bare minimum amount of hair I leave out as for baby hair as of now. And if I feel like I want more, probably just add a little bit more, but for now, this should do it for me, even though this is a little too much. Okay, wait. Yeah. But yeah, this is about it for me. And voila. Okay, so this is what I would literally do when it comes to installing my wigs. As you guys can see, it literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. And no, like I said, no no bald cap method, and it's popping. Like it's popping. So after the baby hair is all like glued down how I want it, last thing that I like to do is wrap it up a little bit. Hold on. So I just wrap it up, and I usually either use a scarf, a bandana, or lately I've been using these wraps for hair, and just wrap it down, slick it down, something it down. So I'm just gonna, wrap it, and yeah. So with that being said, wrap it for as long or how many minutes you want to wrap it for, and once your edges are down, then you're good. I'm gonna go beat my face, curl my hair, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I am back. I came off camera to curl my hair, as you guys can see in the previous video. Curled my hair, now I'm back. So if you guys can see, I'm just gonna go through and part the hair for you guys so you guys can see the whole. Let me just zoom in. And so if you guys can see that, see how it literally doesn't look like, you can't even see, you can like see like the lace and whatnot, but like you see how everything just looks like my skin all the way through. Everywhere you part all looks the same, and this is literally the lace, like just bleaching the knots properly the right way and whatnot. And so being able to bleach the knots properly is how I was, of course, able to achieve this without the bald cap method. I'm not, to be honest, a fan of the bald cap method, just because of the whole putting foundation on your scalp. I'm not a fan of it. I just think it's very unhygienic. I don't really think I'd ever be, I don't know if I want to try it just to see what the hype is about. But personally, I just don't, it doesn't feel right to me to be putting foundation on your head. Like, it just doesn't sit right with me. But like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. It's supposed to be an easy way so you guys know, see how I install my wigs or lace fronts, any frontal, without using the bald cap method. You have a wig cap on, but just not the bald cap method. And yeah, that's it. I did go in and curl it up a little bit, and I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you guys did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any other hair video you'd like to see on my channel, feel free to comment it below. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. And thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this upload. And if you guys are not following me on any of my social media, it'll be somewhere on the screen as well. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, I just want to say thank you guys always for all the love and all the support on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye bye.